Welcome to One Hand on Deck. Today we will be comparing the Logitech Pro X TKL Lightspeed to the older G915 TKL. I've been using the old G915 for over 4 years now. It's my office keyboard, so to speak, and only thing where we can see that it's getting old is that it has the micro USB for charging. Pro X is available with tactile or linear keys. For office use, I prefer tactile. For gaming, it's linear, but it's really up to you what you feel like using. The switches cannot be changed, so keep that in mind that when you make the purchase, you can change the different kind of switches that are available on the market. Okay, let's get to the unboxing part. Okay, the connecting instructions: wired, wireless dongle. Of course, you can use Bluetooth, and then there's the software that you need for controlling the device. And here are the instructions how you can control the keyboard via the quick keys on the keyboard. Okay, so there is something new here. The keyboard has this nice box where it is in very sturdy, so to say, and yeah, feels heavy. That's good. In the box, there's nothing more really. Alright, let's see what's under here, under the hood, so to speak. Opening it's kind of simple and easy. This is also a good case if you want to carry this to a LAN event or something like that. Some manuals, you know that I don't use them. Nice papers covering the keyboard. And then there's the USB cable, USB-C for connecting and USB-A to computer. The old one has, like I said, the micro USB, so that's kind of a new thing here. Then there's the wireless dongle. It comes off. There's the adapter for USB-C if you don't have the USB-A on your computer. And then some extra keycaps. Okay, now let's check the keyboard itself. Wrapped under here. Fresh and clean. Feels heavier, of course it is bigger when you compare it to the 915. The switches have longer travel distance, that's one of the reasons why it's bigger, and it's more for the gaming, and the 915 is more for office use. The form factor is same both, the 10 kilos. The volume rocker is the same, free scrolling on both, it's actually great. Quick keys are identical, connecting different ways, enabling different kind of RGB modes, and the game mode is the same. The quick control for the media, the same, playback, no changes there. The typing feeling on the red switches is good, nothing to complain. It's just standard red switches, nothing really more. Alright, let's see if there's some juice in the battery and see if we can get the LEDs on. Great, there's some charge, that's what I was looking for. Now let's get comparing this to an older one. Looks good comparing this side to side. Here you can notice that the backlight has same levels on both are on maximum now, and you can see through the markings on the keys, so typing in the dark is actually very good in either one of these models. Let's actually put that to the test. I will show you how this looks in the dark. Yeah, definitely good for gaming or typing in the dark. Okay, so my final thoughts on this. Both models are available at the moment for the same actual price, about 230 euros. The Pro model is definitely more for gaming, and the 915 is more for office use due to the slimmer body and sleeker design. But other than that, it's really up to you which kind of a design you actually prefer for your mechanical keyboard. Me, most likely, I will be still staying with the old 915 because it's what I've been using and what I'm used of using over the years. It just feels good. That's it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you for Logitech for making this possible, and we'll be in touch again. Bye bye guys.